crowd senses a flurry of boundary here. They are making some serious noise.
That is lovely timing from the batsman. He is an improved player now. You make a mistake and you pay the price.
Finally, the umpires are coming together to decide whether to continue playing.
Umpire dislodging the bails. It must be frustrating for the players and the crowd cause of the rain interruption. The players are rushing back to the dressing room. We might lose some overs here.
As you can see behind me, the Super Soppers are working really hard. It's barely raining anymore, and the match has been curtailed, but the play will be back on soon.